How to view the Snapchat story without them knowing. Hello everyone, my name is Mal, here to guide you through the way. And to know how you can watch somebody's Snapchat story without them knowing, watch this video till the very end. First of all, make sure that you have installed the latest version of Snapchat from the Google Play Store or App Store of your phone. You can simply go on the search bar and type Snapchat. And then if there is any update option available, then you can simply update your Snapchat. If not, then you can simply open the Snapchat. You will now see an interface like this. Now go on the chat icon by which you can see your friends. After tapping on the chat icon, you will be able to see your friends list. And if you want to see the story of any person, then just scroll down to see any person's story. Make sure that you have your Wi-Fi or data turned off and your airplane mode on, and then you can see their story. And then after seeing the story, you can turn it on. This way, your friends will not know if you have seen their Snap story or not. I hope this helps you. If it helped you, then please do thumbs up and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. See you on the next video.